Weeds with purple flowers on your lawn. Meadows are filled with colorful wildflowers from every hue in the rainbow, including several varieties of purple blooming plants. Meadows are now frequently replaced with lawns, but the violet, deadnettle, henbit and nutsedge still try to invade your lawn if not controlled. Violet. Violet has purple or blue flowers and is difficult to kill in the lawn. Violet has heart-shaped foliage and spreads by extending rhizomes and creating new plants. Purple deadnettle. Purple deadnettle, or Lamium purpureum, produces flowers that attract bees, especially the early bumblebees. It is square-stemmed and short, hard to mow due to its low height, and self-seeding. Purple henbit. Purple henbit, or Lamium amplexicale, looks similar to deadnettle. This member of the mint family bears trumpet-shaped, small purple blooms. Purple nutsedge. Purple nutsedge, an invasive weed that has purple seeds rather than purple flowers, stands about 6 inches tall and spreads by tubers or rhizomes and seed. Control. Using a pre-emergent in the fall when the seeds of late spring are beginning to sprout can control deadnettle and henbit. Violet is best controlled by digging out the plant and as much of the root as possible. Purple nutsedge is controlled with post-emergence herbicides.